not giving priority to this vitamin, which is not just a mere supplement, by the way, because this missing public health message is no less than vitamin D, okay, which is not just a mere vitamin, but a pro-hormone, which is involved in more than hundreds of metabolic processes in our body. So that's how important it is, okay? So to give us more knowledge about how important is vitamin D, in maintaining our well-being, and of course, for us doctors, our most commonly our knowledge is limited to its role in bone health, diba? But little did we know it has a lot of benefits, that we can get out of this vitamin, out of this pro-hormone. So to present to us about vitamin D, we have here a very well-respected doctor here in Cebu, one of the renowned doctors here actually, a fellow Philippine College of Surgeons, Philippine Society of General Surgeons, and former president, no less than the PCS, or the Philippine College of Surgeons, Cebu Eastern Visayas chapter. And he has been into a lot of medical and non-medical organizations as well, heading these societies. Okay, without further ado, let's all welcome Dr. Sean Espina. Hi, Dr. Sean. Good evening.
Good evening everyone. May gabi ninyong tanan. Thank you for
Good evening, Doctor.
Important. Yeah, good evening. Thank you for attending this important meeting. Let me share my slide lang, no? Hold on.